Uncle Jimmy Lee sure was a handful cowboy. Oh yes he was now, famous on Tobacco Road. Now listen close, little cowboy leaning tight. Granddaddy's voice in the flickering light. Jimmy Lee's spirit riding free through the hills and the valleys, great memories. Oh I won't forget the stories. Oh no I won't. The tales of old Tobacco Road. Yeah, old Tobacco Road. Granddaddy tell it. Oh yes he is now. Tell it. Can't forget, nah, can't forget the stories. Old Tobacco. Yeah, old Tobacco Road. Come on. Uncle Jimmy Lee had a heart full of charm. When any cowgirl cracking that smile. I run the sheriff never came to any harm. No, yet loved by everyone, he had his own style. Jimmy Lee was quick with a gun and whip, a legend in these parts.
Cruising down the back roads, nothing but dust and dirt. Got my boots on, feeling country like a real cowboy expert. But there's a twist to this tale, something ain't right. My daughter's got a secret weapon, she's a flatulence dynamite. She's a crop dusting queen, making everyone gasping. No one's got the clue, they all be huffing and puffing. She's got that twangy rap mixing country and trap. Gotta hold my breath cause she's dropping gas clouds like a champ. She won't stop flatulating, no matter how much we try. She's got that knack, the queen of the fly. It's gross and disgusting, yeah, it's quite a mess, but you can't deny she's got a talent for creating gas distress. Walking down the whiskey roads, dusty dreams, a heavy load. Night will fall where the sunlight fades, hearts are wandering aimless strays. Old guitar and a lonesome tune, stars will light the prairie moon. Feet are tired but the spirit's high, whiskey roads we drank the sky. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraint. Finding hope in a sip so deep on whiskey road.